On this, the Indian Business Association has been known to bring the largest India Day parade on the occasion of Indian Independence Day annually in New Jersey. Last year, this parade was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic, but this year, adhering to all COVID-19 CDC guidelines, the Indian Business Association is bringing back its annual India Day parade next month on August 8th at the Oak Tree Road, dedicating the parade to all healthcare and frontline workers who have been the strongest pillars of protection and help during this pandemic. There aren't enough words to thank them. This IBA India Day parade will feature many displays of India's culture and heritage, along with several politicians, community leaders, and Bollywood celebrities. The Indian Business Association recently held a kickoff event to announce its upcoming India Day parade on August 8th and to invite the greater diaspora to participate in the celebrations. Here are some highlights from the kickoff event.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, IBA जिंदाबाद, IBA जिंदाबाद, IBA जिंदाबाद.
I would like to thank all the medias to covering the kickoff event of India Day Parade 2021, which is happening on Oak Tree Road from Edison to Islin. Please join the parade on August 8th from Edison to Islin, sharp 1 o'clock from Cinder Road and Oak Tree Road intersection.
ये परेड जो है वो इस साल की इतनी बड़ी है, हमारे प्रेसिडेंट ने इतनी मेहनत की है, ऑल फायरवर्क्स, एम्बुलेंस और ये सब. और लास्ट ईयर भी ये करने वाले थे, हमने 50,000 मास्क बनवाए थे, ये थे, मगर गवर्नर ने लास्ट मिनट रिक्वेस्ट की कि भाई आप ये नहीं करो तो अच्छा है, तो हमने वो ये नहीं किया. पर इस साल ये परेड उससे इतने ही जोर से होगी, इतने ही लोग जॉइंट होंगे और बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिल रहा है. स्पॉन्सर भी बहुत बढ़ चल के ये कर रहे हैं.
My name is Mahesh Shah. I'm a Vice Chairman of Indian Business Association. As we declared before, this parade is dedicated to all frontliners, all the healthcare workers, all healthcare heroes, and you will see in the parade we have invited police department, fire department, hospitals, everybody to come and join with us on this parade day. We also like to get the support, and we have a support of more than 100 New Jersey-based Indian associations. So we want all of these people to work with us and come and join the parade. Thank you.
After parade, we have a gala dinner on Monday. So we going to only invited people going to be attending there. And we have a lot of culture program also there, and so enjoy it. Thank you.
All the viewers of New Jersey and entire US, this is a unique parade IBA is doing since last 17 years. So please join and watch. There will be a live from TV Asia and others. They're going to have a live parade on August 8th. So please stay tuned on August 8th from 1 o'clock onwards. Thank you.
This year, our 17th IBA India Day Parade on Oak Tree Road, and we are doing as a first responder who help the community. And that first responder, doctor, nurses, pharmacists, lot of people. So all these people, we respect them and we are honoring them. So this year, all local townships nearby in Middlesex County, everybody, fire department, EMS, all these people coming, and we invite them and we are honoring them. So this is a unique parade this year we are doing, and I request all the people, please come and join.
We have a cricket party today. India IBA parade organized. This is 17th parade of the year. IBA is doing in this area for 30 years, and this is the 17th parade. We have a kickoff party today, and all seniors are supporting IBA for the party. And we request all community people to come in the parade on August 8th. And let's have a successful parade on August 8th. Thank you.
Hello, this is Raman Patel from Woodbridge Senior Association. We always support IBA. This year also we are going to support IBA and we will help whatever way we can. So, good luck IBA.
Hello, thank you ITV. We are celebrating here kick-off party for the IBA from Edison to Islane, and this is the wonderful party. So we need everybody's support. Come to the party and enjoy. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Okay. Good evening, ITV viewer. I'm Viru Patel, councilman from the Woodbridge Township. Today is actually kickoff of IBA, and it was held at the TV Asia studio. We had about 300 strong community leaders and very prominent, I would say, businessmen. They are here to just celebrate the IBA's kickoff for the parade. Parade is going to be on August 8th. This whole parade is going to be dedicated for the frontline workers. That was the main theme.
Today we have kick-off party for the India Day parade on August 8th. Now, this parade will be very unique parade. Lot of front fire department, doctors, nurses, all are participating, and the parade make a very successful, and wish everybody to join and enjoy it. Thank you very much.